सो मैं कहूँगा कि वो मेरे पास 30 साल पहले और 30 साल बाद बड़े अब्बू.
That is it. That is, you've
And
come full
people are liking
circle.
it. So I guess negative character जो होता
No,
है
people are loving it. People are absolutely loving it. And you know, it's such a powerful character. And you've played it so well. And I think that it's also well written. It's also well directed.
Yeah.
There's a lot of focus on Bade Abbu. He seems to be the pivot around which the kahani is revolving, whether it's Amar's kahani or Nashwa's kahani or Behzad's kahani. ऐसा है हो रहा है.
Well, if you really must know, जब मैं पहले दिन सेट पे गया था
हाँ.
तो I think that Saqib Khan is a fantastic director.
Right.
Brilliant. Because you know, after working with so many of them, हमारी नहीं बनी. Okay. तो जो रोल था वो जो उन्होंने मुझे पैरा जो सीन करने को दिया था वो था जो डाइनिंग टेबल पे होता है जहाँ मैं नशवा को सीट यूं करके थोड़ी सी धमकी देता हूँ कि अगर तुम मेरा मान नहीं रखोगी तो मैं भी तुम पे भरोसा करना छोड़ दूंगा. एंड गर्मी थी बहुत कराची में. आई सेड ओह माय गॉड, आई मीन पहला सीन इसने तो मेरी माँ बहन ही कर दी भाई. आई मीन और वो 6 पेज का सीन और ये वो. एंड फॉर 2 days they don't call me on the set.
They didn't?
No.
Okay.
So I said मैं तो गया.
हाँ.
I said मुझे
I've been fired.
I've been fired.
Yeah.
And 2 days later, he saw the rushes and he called me back and he said, you know, I didn't believe in you, but oh my God, you know. And I think he has been I would say, the best teacher so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
He's done a good job, and like I said, the drama is doing really well. People are taking it seriously. The character is great. So we'll come back to that. But this 30-year journey of fashion and बीच में कहीं drama करना, acting करना, of course they're both creative fields.
Yeah.
But one, you're directing a design, and the other, you're being directed. So is it something you wanted to do, or you just had time on your hands and you were like, अच्छा ये भी कर लेते हैं? Because you've always been involved in music videos, but always from a design perspective, point of view. यहाँ तो अदाकारी करनी है और मतलब है कि
I think मैं समझता हूँ कि अगर मैं डिजाइनर ना होता तो मैं अदाकार होता.
Right.
और I like the you know मैंने जब शुरू किया था I was only 19 years old. So I was very young. अभी भी जब लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि तुम कितने सालों के हो तो हैरान हो जाते हैं because my journey is so long.
Yeah.
I like taking orders from someone else.
You do?
It's kind of nice.
Okay. To take a back seat and sort of...
Back seat and just कि जी चाय ला दें, अच्छा कपड़े तैयार कर दो, नाड़ा नहीं डाला नाड़ा डाल दो, अच्छा सर ये पहनना है, अच्छा अंगूठियाँ ला दो, जी सर. It's kind of nice.
Right.
Because I've never worked for anyone, so I really don't know how that experience would have been. The only stint I ever did in my life was Orient when I was doing lawn with them.
Yeah.
So they would just give me a brief and I would just get it done.
Yeah.
So it's nice to take orders. It feels kind of interesting.
And you feel that there's no weight on your shoulders or no responsibility क्योंकि ठीक है supporting role है तो मेरे कंधों पे तो नहीं ड्रामा चलना या नहीं चलना.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. Okay, so I've got 2 aspects to it. I only want to do 1 or 2 dramas in a year.
Okay.
I always finish all the campaigns early. So I know that there's no wait as far as the factory is concerned.
Right.
Then my appointments are all juggled between the drama timings and the clients. Okay. So for example, if I have to shoot the collection for Eid, I will shoot it next week.
Okay.
And finish it off. And as the 6 and 8 pieces will keep on coming, I'll keep on shooting. Because I've already given dates for a new drama, which I want to do.
Okay.
And
You're already signed your next drama?
I've already signed it, but I can't talk about it.
Okay.
Well, God's been very kind. I've been offered about 6 plays so far.
Okay.
And I've said, because of the dates and stuff, I couldn't say dates just to January.
Right.
So February onwards, I've committed to 1 more play.
Is there any like competitiveness between the 3 designers who have stepped into acting? There's you, there's HSY, Sheru, and there's YBQ. The 3 of you have come from fashion.
I didn't know YBQ even acted. Does he?
Yeah. He does.
No, I think Sheru started way after me. So I would say that I was the daddy who took the lead first.
Right. Certainly after
30 years ago.
Yeah.
And I don't know whether he's continued acting or not. I have no idea.
He isn't doing anything these days.
Okay.
But yeah.
No, not at all. But वैसे भी हम हमेशा क्या कहते हैं उसको ट्रेंड सेटर ही रहें तो हो सकता है.
Of course, of course. Do you carry that aura on set as
No,
well?
no, not at all. Not at all. In fact, I'm extremely charming. I'm helpful. I think
Right.
I'm funny. I bring a lot of food for everybody to eat.
Oh, you are very hospitable. That too, I
We
can
cut
say.
a lot of cakes.
हाँ.
Okay. And जितने भी दिवाली केक्स आए हुए थे वो भी वहीं चले गए. जितने भी ईद के केक्स आए हुए जितने
Nice.
केक्स आए हुए थे वो
Nice.
बहुत सारे चले गए.
Nice.
And that's about it. I like harmony.
हाँ.
I like a friendly set. Because मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा ताल्लुक नहीं है ड्रामा वालों से या फिल्म वालों से.
Right. Music वालों से है, of course.
म्यूजिक वालों
बहुत,
से
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
तो मैं तो लोगों को जानता भी नहीं हूँ जब मैं सेट पे जाता हूँ.
Do you like the merger of television and fashion that has happened over the last 10 years, let's say?
I think it was bound to happen
Yeah.
because your fashion weeks are gone. You don't have so many films coming out. So the small screen stars have become the big stars.
Yeah.
And they have now become the brand, the face of many brands.
Right.
And it was only natural. So the same way when we look at even Lux,
Yeah.
if you remember 30 years ago when we started out with Lux, there was more focus on the film
Film star.
or the film star.
Yeah.
If there were no film stars,
They ran out of film stars.
they ran out of film stars, then models became the
They
film
didn't
stars.
run out of colors, but they ran out of film stars. Yeah.
Then the models became the film stars,
Yeah.
like the Amna Haq on the cover, on the billboard.
Ramna Haq was also a TV star as well. And,
मतलब
हाँ.
लेकिन मॉडल ज्यादा थे.
Yeah, models are the
तो देन अब अगर हम पिछले 20 साल देख रहे हैं 15 साल देख रहे हैं वो फिल्में अभी भी कम हैं और ड्रामे बहुत ज्यादा हैं. तो these guys are the new stars.
Right. Fashion designers have, I don't know whether infamous for being elitist. And hey, fashion is elitist. You'd agree, right?
Yeah.
And you have to be a certain kind. And television is not. It's very it's a mass medium. It's very democratic. So what part of yourself did you feel you had to change for television, or do you have to mellow down? Do you think you've become more diplomatic because you were known as the bad boy of fashion and you were very outspoken and you were also very, क्या कहते हैं इसको, politically incorrect at times?
I think we all grow up at the age. I think we all grow up at the age. I
Yeah.
also feel that at that time, fashion needed a voice.
Yeah.
Fashion needed a certain kind of a bad boy or a bad auntie for that matter. To
We have
say
a couple of those as well. Yeah.
to have that voice.
Unless you're referring to me.
No.
Okay.
And fashion is elitist. I mean,
It
that
is.
is not just now. That's
Yeah.
globally all over the world.
Yeah.
Okay. If the designer didn't have the personality, you wouldn't buy the designer.
Absolutely.
Right.
The brand. Yeah.
A brand. And all brands put themselves in different markets. Some choose to be in the higher markets and some choose to be in the middle and the lower markets.
Yeah.
Okay, all markets make tons of money.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not even the point. In fact, I feel that the mid markets and the lower markets make far more
Bilkul.
than the higher ones.
Bilkul.
Because the trickle down effect of the copy sells far more
Bilkul.
than the original.
Yeah.
So I think in those days, fashion needed a voice, and there was none. When we started the Fashion Week, there was no voice, and they needed maybe someone like me to have that voice to take them all forward. Even अभी भी जब मैं डिजाइनर से मिलता हूँ तो वही कंप्लेंट आती है, खुदा के लिए कुछ आप कर लें. तो मैं हमेशा यही कहता हूँ कि मैं ही बैठा हूँ सारी गालियाँ खाने के लिए. मैं क्यों कर लूँ, तुम लोग कुछ कर लो. So it all depends on leaders and followers, I would
You
feel.
don't feel that the new generation has names that would actually take Pakistani fashion forward?
It's not that kind of foresight. I think you have to have a big heart to take everyone forward.
Right.
I think that's very important.